Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in East Dulwich up in London and wanted to show you around this lovely project we actually completed about a year and a half ago. Just haven't had time to come back, and today's a great day. It's one of our kite pre-designed. A bit difficult to show you this because of the sun. I'm not complaining. It's the first sunny day of the year, 26 in March, so I'm enjoying that. It's a 5.5 metre wide building. Now, typically we do two windows either side of the door that I've got open at the moment. But what we've done here, we've done the largest size window and some clever storage solution. Every London property needs it, and I really love the colours and the feeling inside. It's a games room, but with the client means that they were talking about actually as in board games, not as in gaming. And we've done these lovely colour on the wall. So this is woodland fern on the wall there, and then silver shingle on the ceiling. It's got a lovely warmth about it. I really do like that. And then they've got this lovely big traditional table, and then built-in furniture they had done afterwards, and that's given a great feeling of space, and that's where all the board games happen. I absolutely love it. So you've got that little alcove section there that works well, and then running around we've got wash lighting, and then that rear vent, because there's no way of putting a vent either side of this, so the rear vent and brings in that lovely bit of light, TV on the wall, and then that other 400mm that we don't have here of window has allowed us to give us all that storage. Sets right away back in there, so the whole depth of 3.7 meters has all got the storage running into there, and it's just a really good way of giving you some internal storage. I really like that. The colours, having that dark green, maybe not coming up as nice on the video as I'm seeing in real life, but I do really like it. Now, the other thing to note, this is a large building with big French doors that went through the house. We actually had to make these doors in sections, but as a typical London property, went all the way through the house, so everything came in. Steel and timber frame base, the building itself, the doors, the windows, and then all the installation. Yeah, all the typical stuff from us. You've got the internet, the electrics, and that lovely finishing. The first we've done in that colour. I like that deep colour. It's really lovely, and that bench system there that's been made, I really like. Very traditional feel in here, exactly what the client was looking for. Very proud to execute it. So there you go. That's a 5.4 metre wide by 3.7 pre-designed kite, but with that integrated store, that great bit of London storage is fantastic for you to see there. So please like, subscribe, share what we do, and let me know your thoughts on this project.